boys and girls, and welcome to a fantastical episode of
Story time with William D. Sherrill.
And that's me. Today, we have a great word for you to start off the day, which for today, the word is premature exasperation. What the? Why is that the? I can't believe you guys. Huh? What? Well, just hand it to me then. Premature exasperation is when you overreact and get angry before you know all of the details. Oh. That's not what I thought it meant. Moving on to a game. That's right, boys and girls. Today we're going to play a game, and that game is called... You might be ready for some boots when this broom helps work out your glutes. And today for this game, you can't play alone, so there's going to be somebody else coming in. So let's bring that person in. Is there nobody here to play the game with me? Oh. Huh. Apparently the game was to play a joke on me. Let's move on to my favorite part of the day, and hopefully yours. What's it called, boys and girls?
Big Book of Wonders!
No! Oh, wait. Yeah. The Big Book of Wonders. But let's go! There once was a bug named Buggy. She was a little bit huggy. One day, Buggy went to hug a friend, Bug, but was rejected. Buggy got mad at her friend and erased her bug friend. Buggy then found a note from her friend saying she was sick and wanted to keep Buggy healthy. Buggy realized she had premature exasperation. That was a great story, wasn't it, boys and girls? I think it was. Now, moving on to the debacle situation. For those of you who might not remember from the original series, the debacle situation is when me and a guest, wherever they might be, sit here and debate a topic. Which it appears this might be a joke too, because there's nobody here. Oh, we're doing it over the phone. With Policeman Ted. Okay. Hi, Policeman Ted.
Hi, William.
Today we are going to be debating the topic of what is the best bike. What do you think?
That's easy. Cruiser bikes.
No, the best bike is a tandem bike.
Tandem? What? Well, come on, it's gotta be cruisers because cruiser bikes you cruise around on. I mean, it's really obvious that that's the bike that's the best bike. It's cruiser
it's a tandem bike,
William. It's
because
cruiser
two
bike.
people can sit
It's
on
cruiser bike. What is it even?
Well, boys and girls, this has been a fantastic episode. We had a word that at first I didn't understand until it was explained to me. We had a game that was a practical joke on me. We had a story. Oh, the story. We had a debacle situation, which was about bikes. I love bikes. Well, boys and girls, this has been a fantastic episode. And see you next time on Story Time with William D. Sherrill. So you're still here? Well, hi, boys and girls. And I'm here to tell you that starting next week, my schedule's going to change for the show. Right now, I've been doing it where I put out the episode on my website on Tuesday, and it comes out on YouTube on Thursday. Well, starting next week, it's going to be only a day apart. However, It's going to be Thursday on my website and Friday on both YouTube and Facebook. So see you there, boys and girls.